छोरा समुंदर में नहा के और भी नमकीन लग रहा है।
ओह
पीछे मोरनी तक आ गई क्या? एक कपड़ों में तो तरबूज ला गया छोरा। लेडीज
beware.
Hello, Curly Tales family. Welcome to yet another धमाकेदार episode of Sunday Brunch. और आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट है वो है लेडी सिंघम एंड अ संडे ब्रंच वेटरन सोनाक्षी सिन्हा एंड बैड बॉय विजय वर्मा। वैसे इनकी पुलिस क्रिमिनल की जोड़ी की काफी दहाड़ सुनाई दे रही है, वैसे ही जैसे मेरे मेकअप रूटीन में शुगर की दहाड़ सुनाई देती है। शुगर है, शुगर है। वेलकम टू संडे ब्रंच। आपका पहली बार है सोनाक्षी, तो वेटरन हो चुके हैं
ओह,
It's so funny,
काफी
मैं यही
ब्रंचिंग की गई
और
है।
मैं यही सोच रही हूँ, इट्स सो फनी। मैं पहली बार जब आपके शो पे आई थी तो बाइक पर आई थी।
आई नो,
आ जाना चाहिए था ना बाइक पे।
ओह,
फुल पुलिस ऑफिसर वाइब्स हैं।
और मैंने इसके लिए ही सीखा था वो टाइप पे,
I know.
इसलिए मैं अपना
बट नाउ यू मस्ट बी अ प्रो एट इट, मतलब
या
आप बेसिक कर सकते
लव इट। हाँ
हो।
एनफील्ड को व्हीलिंग करती है।
You know, I know about Sonakshi. She's a big time foodie. I want to know about you. Are you a foodie?
I am moody.
Foodie, अच्छा.
So there are days when I enjoy food. There are days where I can't eat much. I don't diet. But
I don't have any of those days.
But you know, ऐसे कुछ लोग होते हैं जितना खा ले कभी put on ना करें.
नहीं.
Are you that category?
I am that category, but however, I like to eat my rice and ghee and everything. I eat everything. I have my sugar, so I get a little bit here.
अच्छा, okay. सोनाक्षी, आपका क्या ख्याल है खाने के बारे में?
I तो love food, तो इसलिए अब मैं कैसे जगह पर पहुंच गई हूँ कि मैं खाती हूँ, हेल्दी खाती हूँ, जो अच्छा लगता है खाती हूँ, बिकॉज आई लव घर का फूड।
Yeah.
तो आई डोंट अवॉइड लाइक राइस और कार्ब्स और एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट एनीमोर। मैं इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग करती हूँ अपना। आई स्किप माय ब्रेकफास्ट बट आई हैव माय 2 गुड मील्स, लंच एंड डिनर। और शुगर अवॉइड करती हूँ जितना कर पाऊँ।
बट आज पता है ना शो में हमें क्या करना है?
खाना है। मैं
So
प्रिपेयर्ड आई हूँ।
I
आई
hope
एम
ready है।
मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड। या
But listen, you have to earn your meal.
ओह
इन्होंने भी पानी भरवाया बोरवेल से पूरा।
और भी टास्क है आपके लिए। इट्स नॉट डन येट। ठीक है, तो पहले तो यू आर अ राजस्थानी रेज्ड इन हैदराबाद।
Yes.
व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड डिड यू ईट? जस्ट टेल अस ग्रोइंग अप।
I ate a very hybrid version of Rajasthani food mixed with Andhra spices. So we had like dal chawal with khatta dal, and we had dal bati churma with kadi patta in it. Like it was a hybrid of north and
Interesting.
south marriage, you know, which was actually my parents'
love kadi
marriage. So Hyderabad in itself is a very interesting place for food because it is a great mixture of South Indian spices mixed with the Mughal influences, the Nizam, and then it's more cosmopolitan place. So it's got all cultures living, all kinds of people living, and the cuisine is very interesting.
राइट,
So anywhere outside Hyderabad, I don't feel that smashing, food-wise.
यू बीन स्पॉइल्ड विद द
Yeah,
बेस्ट।
is the best. Is the best.
सोनाक्षी ने आपको सिंधी खाना खिलाया है अब तक या नहीं?
हमारी
सोनाक्षी,
बॉम्बे में
नहीं।
शूट ही नहीं हुई थी।
हमने पार्टियां की है लेकिन खाने पे ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया।
नहीं
हाँ,
दिया।
but no, I usually when
But
I'm
we never
shooting in
shot,
Bombay, तो मम्मी बनाकर भेजती है सेट पर।
हाँ, not a single day. in Bombay.
Unfortunately, this set we've not shot only over here.
हालांकि रोज मैं प्रमोशन पे आ रहा हूँ, बॉम्बे में ही हो रहा है, बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ है
Thanks
कि
for reminding me.
एक दिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि लोग क्या आया, सोनाक्षी ने बोला कि बेटा खाना लेके आए हम लोग। So I don't know. Are you blaming your mom?
No, not at all. I'm accepting
I love
full
it.
responsibility
Putting
for my
Sonakshi on the
actions.
spot, ना? Very
I'm
good.
accepting full responsibility for my actions.
चलो इसके बाद now what we're going to do is we're going to see how well versed are you of each other's cuisines, okay? तो मैं कुछ dishes के नाम लूँगी। अगर मैं राजस्थानी डिश का नाम लूँगी तो वो आपकी तरफ होगा। You have to tell me what are the main ingredients of it. And Sindhi, you have to tell me what do you think would be the main ingredients of it.
Okay.
ठीक है?
But listen, I don't know how to cook. How will I tell you?
बट टेस्ट करके तो पता चल ही
Okay,
जाता
fine,
होगा ना,
okay, fine.
पालक खा रहे हो या
Basic जो
मेथी,
आता है,
हाँ,
हाँ,
बिल्कुल
okay, fine.
बेसिक.
बहुत मजा आएगा.
ओके, सो फर्स्ट फॉर विजय,
हाँ.
ओके, साई भाजी
हाँ.
क्या होगा उसमें?
I know.
Sindhis would know, okay? सोच समझ के साई भाजी. I can give you. You want to give some clue? Green color.
Green, yeah,
हाँ.
green and leafy.
Is it beans?
Leafy.
Palak?
Yes.
Palak grown in Shirdi.
साई भाजी. That's how it sounds like, no? But sai means green color, and it's basically palak with chana dal.
Okay.
Okay, so Nakshi, on to you. Dal
I like the
bati.
sai color on you.
Thank you. Okay, dal bati churma.
Lentils.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's taking care of dal.
Yeah, dal. Bhati.
Anjali Bhati.
Churma. Yeah. Anjali Bhati.
बताओ विजय. Come
Dal
on,
bati
educate
churma.
us.
Bhati is made of atta,
Okay.
Okay, yeah, atta.
just like how roti is, but थोड़ा सा उसको पानी कम रखते हैं,
Okay.
उसको गोल करते हैं
Yeah.
और उसको कोल पे या वो क्या कहते हैं गोबर गैस
हाँ.
उपले
Yeah.
या उस या oven, but
हाँ.
these are different kinds
भट्टी
of
में.
हाँ उस पे उसको गर्म करते हैं तो
Bhati
अंदर
and
पकता है तो
bhatti.
बाटी दैट एंड बाटी को अगर चूर दो
तो
थोड़ा सा
उसको
कम
चूर-
पका के
तो उसका
तो
चूर-
आटे का जो क्या कहते हैं क्रम्स होते हैं
हाँ.
उससे उसमें शुगर ऐड होती है ग्राउंडेड शुगर
Oh.
उससे बनता है चूरमा
Wow, I'm feeling like a master chef right
एंड देन यू ऐड सम इलायची एंड सैफरन एंड
Wow.
now. Nice, nice.
You like cooking, is it? आप
No.
तो काफी अच्छे से रेसिपी पूरी
Yeah, he
detail
knows
में
the
बता
whole
रहे
thing.
हैं.
I'm shocked.
I have seen my Rajasthan side of the family
Yeah, they
cook
make
it.
it.
And, yeah.
I'm quite now curious to know next dish. Sonakshi आपको कैसे समझाने वाली है?
चलो
Because it's called koki.
I know koki.
Okay.
You know koki?
Koki is
Ah.
the Sindhi thepla
Yes.
or Sindhi thalipit.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right.
But it's roti
yeah.
and then you that I know.
उसमें
But it has some masala in it.
Masala.
Yeah,
it
some
has
masala.
प्याज, धनिया.
It's also like what do you call it? It's a sustainable model. It's, you have something left from yesterday, put it all
You
together,
mix
next
it,
day
yeah.
serve. Yeah,
Like
Oh,
rice.
this
or
even I
something,
didn't know.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
yeah, not wasting food.
Acha.
Yeah,
Acha.
नहीं, I mean, it's a
Ah.
Anjali Bhatti churma.
yeah. Okay, गट्टे की सब्जी.
घट्टा is a सब्जी only ना? उससे बनेगी.
What is गट्टा?
This is
किससे बनता है?
classic 101 Bombay person. They have no idea about food outside Bombay.
No, I know what घट्टे की सब्जी is. I don't know what it's made of.
बेसन
बेसन, okay. Yeah.
बेसन लो
Yeah.
ऐसे से
Yeah.
ऐसे से करो उसको करके उसमें थोड़ा सा हरा मसाला थोड़ा सा धनिया
हाँ.
अक्खा धनिया नॉट पूरा and then you add some spices to
Okay.
it and then you roll it make it into this thing and then you cut it
Then
into
you cut.
small pieces
Nice.
and make a gravy and put that gatte ki sabzi.
Yeah, I know. I've eaten it.
चलो
but I don't
सिखा
know
रहा
what
हूँ
it's
मैं.
made of.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fair
हाँ.
enough. But वो तो रेसिपी
हमें
with
खाने से
action
मतलब
सब
है.
बता रहे हैं.
हमें बस खाने से
I want
मतलब
to
है.
I want to be a housewife next time in some role.
You will be a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I won't.
A sexy one जो आटा गूंथती है ऐसे.
सिंधी कड़ी.
Sindhi kadhi I know. It's
क्या
tomato based
ये?
kadhi. It has bhindi in it and gawar ki phali in it and
Sing.
it's basically
बात है
without
यार. Very
it's
impressive.
little besan but no
हाँ.
dahi.
No दही.
Tomato based.
Yes, yes. दही वाली होती है पंजाबी.
Very good, yeah.
Very
I'm going to
good.
hang
ये
out
वाला
with some
simple है
Sindhis,
सोनाक्षी.
yes.
हाँ.
For you, लाल मास.
लाल मास.
हाँ, होगा यार.
Mutton.
Correct.
हाँ, okay. Oh yeah, okay. Mutton, yeah. The red color gravy.
Yes.
और बहुत ही मसालेदार होती है.
और खूब सारा घी होता है.
हाँ, और खूब
बहुत.
सारा घी होता है.
ये थोड़ा टेक्निकल है यार, मुझे भी नहीं पता था, मैंने ये गूगल से निकाला है, बट मैंने ये खाया है. तरियल पटाटा.
ये मुझे भी नहीं पता. सिंधी डिश है.
Is it like tuk?
Yes. Yes.
So it's aloo fried,
Yes, yes.
deep fried
You're right.
and cut and then put
Oh,
some
aloo, it's
some
a-
amchur
yeah.
powder on it.
How do you know so
लाल
much about
मिर्ची,
Sindhi food?
yeah.
कोई सिंधी
But
गर्लफ्रेंड रही है
this is
आपकी?
the real name of.
No, it's actually aloo tuk, but tariyal patata is actually fried aloo. Tariyal means fried, patata means aloo.
How
and
do
that
you know
is-
so much about Sindhi food?
Yes.
I
Now
had
I want
Sindhi
to-
best friends when I was growing up.
Ah, best friends.
की.
अच्छे friends थे, खाना खिलाते
Nice,
थे,
yeah.
सिखाते थे.
It's good to
It's cool,
have
man. Yeah, yeah.
educative friends like
So
this.
yeah, Vijay Ramnani and Chandan Chandani. हाँ.
बस आनी आनी ऐड कर दिया आपने।
नहीं नहीं, मेरे जिगरी दोस्त है बचपन में।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
ओके।
My mom was Chandi Ramani.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
प्याज कचौरी।
Pyaz
हाँ.
and besan.
Correct. See, she knows a lot about food.
हाँ, बट उसमें थोड़ा सा दाल पड़ती है। हाँ।
वो पढ़ती होगी, अब जो बेसिक मुझे आता है.
He
Okay,
just
मैंने
wants a
बता
one
दिया.
up,
Yeah.
I'm telling
He's
you.
won this. He's
इडली
won.
कचौड़ियाँ खाई राजस्थान में।
I'm not even
भूल गई खा के।
I'm not even in this competition. How good his knowledge is on like recipes and all. I'm not in this.
I'm very surprised actually.
Yeah.
I never go to the kitchen to do
I
anything.
didn't expect this. from
Yeah,
you.
okay. But चलो, you guys make a great team. एक को पता है, एक को थोड़ा कम पता है, but आपको खाना जरूर मिलेगा।
मैं बना सकता हूँ, ये खा सकती है। तो it's
बिल्कुल,
perfect match.
Absolutely. So we've got lots of things here for you
Okay.
guys. There's avocado toast, there's dahi puri, panini, galotti kebab, veg, beetroot,
Mhm.
and watermelon and
Feta
pita.
salad.
नाशा, आपके घर से ये अच्छा सा इतना सैलेड बनकर आया है, आप वो नहीं खाओगे?
I think आपको इसे वापस भेज देना चाहिए। इसके लिए जगह नहीं है यहाँ पर। इसकी जगह घर पे है। इसको
क्या
घर पे
आपकी
रखो।
टीम आई हमें बोलने की सोनाक्षी मैम आज ये सैलेड खाएंगे एंड सोनाक्षी मैम हैज कॉल्ड फॉर दही पूरी ओवर हियर, वेरी गुड।
I came prepared.
दही पूरी।
Yeah.
Oh yeah, dahi puri. I believe you like pani puri.
I love pani
You
puri.
love
I
pani
love
puri.
dahi
You love dahi puri.
Yeah.
So there's one team dahi puri and team pani
Team
puri. So
pani
next
puri.
time you're going to
Yeah.
do a challenge.
Yeah.
तो मैं जानना चाहूंगी, अभी तो आप दोनों फुल फ्लेजेड फिल्म्स में हैं, बट कैन वी रिकॉल योर फर्स्ट पेचेक और फर्स्ट जॉब?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I worked as an usher at Lakme Fashion Week. My college ke through as a volunteer I had gone. Also, all the college, the girls used to get these jobs,
Yeah.
and I was an usher. I earned my first paycheck was for 3,000 rupees
Okay.
for ushering 7 days. I think it was 5 or 6 days at the Lakme Fashion Week. So from morning till night, and I was very proud to have earned my 3,000 rupees.
But what was
Wow.
your job role? But
showing
yeah.
people to the seats. उनके टिकट
Oh.
देख के
हाँ.
उनको सीट पे बिठाती थी मैं. They have a nice show and leave.
Oh. क्या क्या?
It was lovely. It was quite
3,000
Any
रुपए
celebrity?
yeah, lots. In fact, that's where Arbaz and Salman saw me and they said, lose weight and we want to put
काफी
you in a
अच्छी
film.
अशर है।
वाह, मैं
Yeah.
शॉर्ट्स लेके काम करता हूँ।
Yeah, it's actually quite a cool story.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that how your debut happened? That's where they saw you?
That's where they saw me, and Salman had met
Wow.
me after like really long at that point in time. And Arbaz was also then. He was like, "Hey, listen, you start losing weight and work on yourself and all, and I have something which you will be perfect for." So he told me that over there, and then I didn't think much of it, and I didn't like. It wasn't my intention to ever act, so I never really gave it too much thought. And then finally I did lose the weight, and then they actually came back to me and they were like, you know what, we have a role which you are perfect for,
Wow.
so we want you to do it.
What a
And
story.
That's how it happened.
Oh, now this is going to encourage a lot of girls to take up this job and
Yeah.
fashion show, ushering and going
You
tickets.
never know. Just my luck.
आपकी क्या शुरुआत हुई?
I think I worked selling a concept which was very new at that time called Petrocard.
Okay.
I used to work at a petrol pump. I worked for a month, but I used to move 1 week in one petrol pump to go to the next one and work for another week. And my job was to convince people to buy this card
No.
Oh.
so that they can pay money in advance and they'll get little discount on petrol that they're buying.
Acha.
So yeah,
And sales,
wow.
were you
And where was
successful?
this?
in Hyderabad, I think I was paid like 2,000 a week or maybe less. I don't remember the amount I received, but I figured out I'm not cut out for this. I need to make big money.
And then you
Well
decided
done.
to
Yeah.
leave your home and come to Mumbai.
Huh. And then I had no money.
You were also working at a call center, right?
I did. I trained for 3 months, diligently learned. I figured out I was enjoying the learning of working in a call center and understanding their culture, their city names, their festivals, and so on. I can convince people to, call back the bank or whatever. Trained 3 months, had a great time training. Worked one night at a call center, made 150 outbound calls. उसमें से कुछ 70% तो आंसर नहीं किए, 30% गए होंगे आंसरिंग मशीन में, 2 या 3 लोगों ने फ़ोन उठाया होगा. And I figured I'm not cut out for that. So I quit the job in after day one.
But you learned the American accent.
I did. I learnt English.
You learned English.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Yeah, मैं हिंदी मीडियम से पढ़ा था कुछ 5th
अच्छा.
standard तक.
Oh.
So yeah, they taught me. It's not you didn't do it. It's you didn't do it.
So call center is a great place to learn English and also some accent, right?
Yeah.
So Sonakshi mentioned उन्हें पहली फिल्म कैसे मिली? आपकी क्या स्टोरी थी जब आप मुंबई आए? कितना वक्त लगा आपको?
I think I got my first film in the first year or so, year and a half. मैंने signing amount लिया director से. I got locked for a part. They paid me some money. I went back. I celebrated. I bought gifts for friends and partied. And then that film never happened. So that was my first film that I got.
You must have been heartbroken, no?
Yeah, I was heartbroken, but I enjoyed the party. So then my second film, my first actual film which I eventually got shot was called Chittagong with Manoj Bajpayee and Nawaz and everybody. So that was my first film. I got the part in 2010. I came to Bombay in 2008. So 2 years.
So Sonakshi, I want to know, पहला OTT कर रहे हो आप, and the trailer also looks very very promising. अब तक मैंने जितना देखा है, and lady police officer, किस तरह की तैयारी की है?
तैयारी तो काफी की. मैंने बाइक चलाना सीखा इसके लिए, जूडो लेसन्स किए.
Wow, you're really good at multitasking.
हमारी हमारी डायलेक्ट, मेरा ध्यान वही है.
I can
I
either
think
eat,
she's here for lunch और बातें हो रही है. You are here for probably the
I can either eat or talk. Can't do both. हाँ.
मेरा जूडो लेसन्स किए, फिर हम सब ने अपने डायलेक्ट पर वर्क किया. हमने वर्कशॉप्स किए टू गेट द बोली राइट. और जब वो यूनिफॉर्म आ जाता है तब तो मतलब आप वो कैरेक्टर ही बन जाते हो आप.
lady dabang you've become now.
Authority that comes with it, the power that comes with just wearing a uniform. चाल वाल सब बदल जाती है. I think it was, and the role was very well written for me, so I enjoyed it too much.
And I'm very confused about his role. Is he a good boy or a bad boy?
I think I'm a good boy.
In real life?
He thinks he's a good boy. Just keyword.
रियल लाइफ में कभी पुलिस के साथ कोई नोकझोंक हुई है?
नहीं.
हाउ डू यू हैंडल? बिल्कुल नहीं. कभी ना कभी तो किसी हवलदार ने पकड़ा ही होगा.
I used to say I'm a student, sir. मेरे को जाने दो, please. I used to say that because it's the funniest excuse. Like, sir, मैं student हूँ, मुझे जाने दो. ये student है तो ये सब करेगा.
And
It's
you
a
would
joke
get
in my
away. What about you?
Nothing stands out in particular, but yeah, I remember I was in the car once when my friends were driving and got stopped and said, "तू कुछ मत बोलना," because they wanted to speak to him in Marathi. तू चुप बैठना. I sat quietly.
You don't know Marathi at all?
I just no. In fact, it's very strange because I really wanted to learn and हमारे स्कूल में सब्जेक्ट ही बदल दिया. मराठी के बदले संस्कृत आ गया when we turned ICSE. So I was like, क्यों? But मुझे सीखना है.
But I
So-
think at least in Maharashtra,
Yeah.
most people
it's very
know.
important.
Yeah, it's very
you know,
important.
yeah.
So I'll teach you 3 words or 2. Zaudiyana.
Zaudiyana Saab.
Zaudiyana Saab is my easy escape.
Laukar I know is.
Yes.
I know like basic words because we
Yeah.
had it in like the third
I
standard.
understand it completely.
But
Really?
Khali. And even I understand.
Yeah.
But I just can't form sentences.
And you've traveled by local train extensively.
Yeah.
Never got caught. कभी
I used to
ticketless
go-
travel ये सब
No,
नहीं
no,
किया.
I'm very bad like that. As in I'm good.
Good like
I'm
that,
too
not
good.
bad.
But, like, sometimes you need to do all this little bit musty here and there. But yeah, I was very like particular about everything.
आपका कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ हो मुंबई?
नहीं, मैं तो टिकट कलेक्टर प्ले कर चुका हूँ.
Oh right, of course.
या भाई ट्रैफिक पुलिस ने पकड़ा है रॉन्ग साइड में जाते हुए. ये सब हुआ है ट्रिपलिंग करते हुए हैदराबाद में.
हाँ.
I was full
वही है,
teacher's
सब
pet
जाने दो,
kind
सब
of
स्कूल
person.
में.
But you know your Instagram profile versus the roles that you've played, it's so contrasting. मतलब roles देखकर तो आप पर
Thank
गुस्सा
God.
आ जाता है. And thank God she said.
Yeah.
But on Instagram profile, he's all like very well dressed
Cool,
and
yeah.
nice, very
He's very
suave,
dapper,
and
very
yeah.
dapper.
Yeah, I mean, because I'm playing a TC, I can't be really well dressed and I'm playing a school teacher. No, I mean, it's, social media, I feel like, especially right now we call it social media. I was on it when it was social network. And I really enjoyed it when we had it for the first few years. And now it's just become something that I don't really particularly enjoy. But it still is a platform for you to put yourself out there in a way that you want to.
Absolutely.
When it started, it was very cute. It was social network where you are in friends, where you are in touch with your friends that you probably left behind because you moved to cities and schools have changed and they are in some other life. So it's just a nice place to be in touch with people you've grown up with. So the idea was that, and I lapped onto that idea.
We'll play a fun game on that note, which is called Sugar or Spice, presented by Sugar Cosmetics. Okay, so Sonakshi, to you first. Basic से शुरू करते हैं. Sugar or spice? What do you prefer?
Spice.
Spice. Okay, OTT or theatrical release?
Doesn't matter really.
What look do you prefer? Gloss or matte?
Matte.
3 makeup products you always have in your handbag.
Eyeliner, powder, and lipstick.
Please ask me this question.
Who's your favorite pajama party partner?
Huma.
बचपन की best friend. Oh yeah, she'll be very offended, so I'll just take Huma.
Oh, no,
Vidhi and Huma, okay?
It was Vidhi, always Vidhi. Huma.
Okay, मुंबई का वड़ा पाव या मुंबई का मिसल?
Ooh, vada pav. Hands down.
Yeah, okay.
Missile
Neutral.
is the ingredient to
आलू को डीप फ्राई
No, not
करके
ingredient.
पाव में डाले, मिर्ची
That's vada pav.
डाले, मसाला डाले.
That's vada pav.
I know how to make vada pav.
Oh.
Okay, don't show off.
Okay.
But missile is like if you want like help in the morning,
No, I don't.
On Sundays,
I'm not a fan of
you know.
missile. I
straight
like,
up missile,
I like
mirchi डाल के.
vada pav.
Neutral eyeshadow or colorful eyeshadow?
I like. Sorry, not for me.
You like colorful, no?
Eyeshadow.
Yeah.
Eyeshadow is this part.
Yeah, this.
Colorful.
Colorful,
You
okay.
seem that type.
Mascara or false lashes? What do you prefer?
Mascara.
Okay, Vijay, on to you then.
You're not
Please,
eating this?
मेरी beauty किस काम की?
Are you not eating this?
No, I'm not. Okay. ये होता है अच्छा दोस्त.
Sugar or spice?
Sugar.
Hero या villain?
Villain.
चोर या पुलिस?
Police.
Cheesecake or रबड़ी?
Rubbery all the way.
OTT or theatrical release?
जहाँ public है.
Fair enough. Dinner date or movie night?
Movie date.
Beaches or mountains?
Mountains all the way.
Okay, then mountains or cities?
Mountains.
Mountains. 3 products you always have in your handbag.
My handbag always has blush, mascara, and eyeliner.
Okay.
Good choice.
Good choice, yeah. अब मैं बहुत क्यूरियस हूँ आप लोग ने जितना एक्सेंट सीखा है नया आई एम गोना शो विजय's पिक्चर्स टू यू और आपको अपने फुल पुलिस स्टाइल में कमेंट करना है उनकी
Oh
पिक्चर
damn!
Oh no.
Damn!
और उनको
Be a good
आपके
fashion
इसमें-
police, no?
Okay.
हाँ you can be a फर्स्ट पिक्चर
छोरा समुंदर में नहा के और भी नमकीन लगा यार.
Oh!
पीछे मोरनी तक आ गई. क्या?
गणित चुकी.
Okay, we have one more here.
Oh. This is his Berlin look, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Must say.
Yeah.
He's quite the fashionista.
अंजलि भाटी.
हाँ. What do I say?
अंजलि भाटी कर.
या. ये कपड़ों में तो तरबूज ला गया छोरा. बस थोड़ा लाल रंग ना है.
स्लिम तरबूज.
Slim तरबूज.
Okay, last one.
Okay. इसे कहते हैं लाल झंडा.
Red flag.
Red flag. Ladies.
Beware.
Now Sonakshi.
Looks like a महलों की रानी.
Oh, you're being very kind.
Yeah.
He's being his character.
Oh, my character would be like out of reach है थोड़ी.
Okay, the next one.
Oh, this is a thirst trap. This is a disco thirst
Not
trap.
my intention, but okay. Thanks.
Okay, this one.
यार ये फोटो ना इसने बहुत गड़बड़ की है इस फोटो ने.
क्यों?
I spoke to you. I figured out I have to do this
Oh
holiday.
yeah.
मैंने बर्फ कभी नहीं देखी. इनको देख के मुझे
मैंने
लग
पहली
रहा
बार
है
देखी.
मुझे बर्फों में जाने का मन करता है.
Yeah, I've inspired you.
Yeah, I found out. I have the hack now. She's given me a plug who will help me travel there.
Must go.
Finland. How was Finland?
I can't even tell you how.
She had the best New Year's, hands
Good.
down.
Yeah.
It was
you went there?
amazing.
For New Year's, is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
It's the first time I saw
Peak
snow.
winters in middle of ice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
saw the northern lights.
Wow.
It was stunning.
It was surreal. No, I
Everything
can
was
imagine.
just
सबका न्यू ईयर खराब कर दिया है.
ये फोटो डालकर
हाँ.
बिल्कुल. But पता है अभी उनका midnight summer है, which means it's not going. The sun is not going to
so
set.
I had only 2 hours of daylight.
Ooh.
Baki all day it was dark.
What about you? Are you fond of traveling? कोई favorite जगह है आपकी?
I really enjoy getting away from Bombay as soon as I can. I have a lot of favorite destinations. Easiest is Goa. I enjoyed my travel to Shillong in Meghalaya.
Okay.
I love Rajasthan. It's
Yeah.
hands down one of the most pristine, beautiful, barren, warm, very good people, great landscapes, historical structures.
Yeah.
I'm a big history buff, so I enjoy going to places with history. I'm not a Dubai
Yeah.
guy.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Because you have spent so much time in Hyderabad, any food recommendations for our viewers? Because वो जाएंगे तो आपको जरूर याद करेंगे.
हैदराबाद में बिरयानी ज़रूर खाओ. बिरयानी तो खाना ही पड़ता. और हैदराबाद गए तो कराची बेकरी जाके वहाँ के उस्मानिया बिस्किट, फ्रूट बिस्किट, प्लम केक ट्राई करना. हैदराबाद गए तो हलीम वगैरह ट्राई करना. आप लोग खाते तो सरा का चाट वाट भी ट्राई करना. उधर की पानी पूरी को गपचुप बोलते हैं.
Gupchup.
गुपचुप या.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
पान ज़रूर खाना. उधर पान बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं.
एंड सोनाक्षी जो मुंबई आ रहे हैं घूमने उनके लिए कोई recommendation?
Definitely vada pav khana, misal pav mat khana.
अगर पेट
As explained to you by.
अगर ज़रूरत पड़े आपको
But
तो खाना.
I think यहाँ की हमारी street food best होती है. All the pani puris and the dosas. अपने college मिट्टी बाई college के बाजू में बहुत अच्छा डोसा मिलता है. वो मिस मत करना. शेजवान डोसा, चीज डोसा, मैसूर मसाला डोसा. Unreal. Dosa is a South Indian dish, but this is very Bombay. Trust me.
Yeah. It's Gujarati dosa.
Yeah. It's too good.
And before we let you go, what's your quick fix from one look to another?
Maybe a different hairstyle. Yeah.
Hey, both of you said the same.
No, it's not for me. I'm just helping.
No, you just spoke about your curly hair and all when we met there first.
Yeah, I wanted the heart to be called Curly Tails.
Guys, it's been wonderful talking to you all. Quite looking forward to The Heart.
Yes, please watch
Releasing
it.
on May 12th on Amazon Prime.
Relish
Yes.
on it.
Yes, for sure. Definitely going to do that. और सोनाक्षी हम आपके ट्रेनर को बिल्कुल नहीं पता चलने देंगे आज आपने क्या खाया.
Actually, I've been good. मैंने
ट्रेनर्स
सबका
का डर नहीं
थोड़ा
है.
खाया.
ट्रेनर से डर नहीं लगता साहब.
ट्रेनर को
माँ से
मुझसे डर
लगता
लगता है.
माँ का खाना छोड़ा.
I know.
नहीं, but listen, I've been very good. I've eaten हद में.
हम तो मारवाड़ी लोग हैं. हमारी शादी में
मेरी
56
तमन्ना
भोग
पूरी
लगते
हो गई कि मैं दही पूरी खाई.
Next time आपके साथ मारवाड़ी ब्रंच पे.
हैं. Done.
Done.